my best friend.
Hi! I know tomorrow is Mother's Day, and if you're confused about what to make for your mother or what to gift her, I made a very simple chotu sa greeting card, but it has a pop-up beating heart. So if you want to learn how to make this card, then the DIY starts in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so we'll take one sheet of paper and cut it in the center. Then we'll keep one of it aside and the other part we'll fold into half again. Now you have to choose your object of choice. If this is your first time making a pop-up card, then heart is the easiest. Now wherever I'm drawing the green line is where you have to cut it, and wherever there's the red, you don't cut it. At any cost, do not cut the red part. Now you will slightly open the card and push the heart inside. This is the most important part of this video. Fold the red part from both the sides, आगे से and पीछे से भी. Press it अच्छे से एक बार and then open it. And there you have your pop-up card. Now that little gap that you see वो heart का आधा half, वो ना दिखने के लिए we had kept the other part aside. So when you stick these two together, बाहर से नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा कि it's a pop-up card. And it looks much more well finished. Now I'm just going to show you how I decorated mine. This is completely subjective. You can decorate it however you want, with glitter, with colors, with sketch pens, with pencils, with pen pencils. I meant color pencils. But I chose to doodle thoda sa. I have never actually doodled before, but I tried my hand and I actually like how simple but very dainty it looks. If you want to know where I bought all the stationery from for this video, I will link the stationery haul down below if you want to see all the stationery from this one. Then I just went ahead and colored. I wanted to use as many different colors as I can because my mom is a very colorful person and she really appreciates it. Then I went ahead and wrote the to and the from. I used a little bit of lettering method. Please don't judge. I'm doing this after years. All that matters is the emotion, yeah. We're not here to impress anyone. Then I wrote Happy Mother's Day, then the from, and it still looked empty, so I just drew some dots. Like dots can save any card. I also like mentioning the dates. Now for decorating the inside, I chose to outline the border because I think it's a very nice method to do it. Like, it's very understated. It lifts the card up quite a bit. And then I chose to color the heart in the middle, the classic red. But इसको भी मुझे थोड़ा doodle वाला effect देना था, so I outlined it with black and filled it with red. I also used a brown color pencil to give it a gradient effect. Now for the inside of the card, I was so confused what to do because I did not want to overdo it and still I didn't want to leave it empty. So I thought of making like a chotu sa comic, and I'm not very good at drawing humans, so I drew stick figures, and I do like how this has turned up yaar. If you want to color it in, I would recommend कि जो भी लिखना है वो पहले लिख दो, क्योंकि color pencils के ऊपर लिखना is very very difficult. Once you color, writing on it will be a big task. So I wrote my messages first too. Now we're really obsessed with Sarabhai, so initially I had planned to write her a Roshesh style poem like oh mama. But then I think some things were just coming out of my heart कि नहीं मुझे ये लिखना है, तो I wrote that. You fill my head with roses. Then again the card was still looking empty, so I wrote I love you because all my cards to her always have I love you, and इसमें नहीं लिखा था, and then some pink hearts and I was done. Now comes the most fun part, sticking it and putting it together. Make sure you take your time with aligning it. दोनों का center line match होना चाहिए. I would not recommend using hot glue gun because uska glue is very thick. Use a Fevicol or a glue stick and you're done. कार्ड एंड लिटरली एनी डिज़ाइन विच इज़ सिमेट्रिकल. मतलब अगर उसको हाफ में काटो, ओपन करने पे वो सेम लगना चाहिए. सो यू कैन मेक अ टेडी बेयर. आई यूज्ड टू मेक अ क्रिसमस ट्री वर्जन फॉर क्रिसमस व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल. सो इफ़ यू मेक दिस कार्ड, डू रिमेंबर टू टैग मी ऑन Instagram stories and I will repost it on my account too. For me, during Mother's Day, every lady who has had a motherly impact on me is whom I want to wish, like my kaki, my dadi, my mom, my nani and all of those relatives. So wish them also from my side who are in your family, and I will see you tomorrow with a very fun video with my mother. Until then, goodbye.